What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Diecast Chill with Sabby. Today, I was able to find this awesome cartoon lifted diecast from Series 1. Picked up the 67 to 79 Toyota Land Cruiser, which is available exclusively at Target. This is number 6 in the series. So, take a look at the rest of the model coming in this series. They all look absolutely amazing. So I decided to pick up this Toyota Land Cruiser because it says cartoon lifted, and I wanted to find out what makes this one so special. So let's unbox it and see what this Toyota Land Cruiser is all about. I think the packaging is done very well, so it's taking time to cut through, and here it goes. No, I'm going to take it out all properly. Yeah, there you go. Still left. And now it came. Okay, so as you can see, the graphics on the card look really cool. I definitely wanted to keep the packaging in a good shape. And now, here it is, the Toyota Land Cruiser. As it has a lifted chassis. Look at those graphics on the Toyota logos. It has a desert 4x4 theme and the headlight looks fantastic. This thing is so well made. On the sides we have desert 4x4 graphics, and when we check out the back we can see the tail lights and more details. On the top there is also a cool roof track. The entire model has a really solid die-cast feel. Even the top to bottom construction feel very well made. But the coolest part is definitely the lifted suspension mechanism. As you can see, the hinges on the wheels and they can move up and down. The wheels also swivel and it comes with some really cool rubber tires. So when you press down on the vehicle, you can actually feel the spring mechanism working. Oops. There you go. The suspension has a spring-like action that allows the vehicle to lift up and down, which is such a cool feature. And I'm really impressed with how this was designed. The only thing I'm a little skeptical about is those tiny lights. You definitely have to be careful with them because they are so small you don't want to accidentally lose one. And there is also spring underneath the hood, and that's what gives the suspension its up and down movement. You can actually see the spring mechanism working when you press down on the vehicle. I'm really happy with this find. So overall, it looks really sturdy. well made, well designed, and cool graphic. I have already unboxed this cartoon, the light version, so let's compare the two. With the with the light version, this isn't a spring mechanism. The wheels can move differently with the rear wheels having 360-degree movement and the front wheels having more limited movement. Plus the lights can actually lights up. But compared to that version, the cartoon lifted Land Cruiser has this really cool spring suspension mechanism. You can press it down, let it lift, back up, and even make it look like it's jumping. Then we have a basic cartoon diecast car, which looks pretty decent as well. There is also cartoon trucks, which is I'm personally not a huge fan, but they do look really cool with the cartoon container. The container definitely adds something different to the collection. Don't you all agree? And that's it for today's review. I hope you enjoyed checking out this cartoon lifted Toyota Land Cruiser with me. And I'm really happy with this diecast find. It's available for around $8 and is exclusively to Target. So if you're near to the Target and happen to spot one, definitely check it out. These little cartoon diecast cars are really cool to add to your collection. And I'll be back with something new next week or in my next video where I will be unboxing more unique and interesting diecast cars. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, you know the drill. I'll see you all in the next. And as usual, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting. That's what the diecast collecting is all about. And you guys, it takes me a lot of time and effort to make these videos, so please help me reach my goal. Your support means a lot to me, and you guys are the best. Thanks for watching.